you do it. Because how do you have unprotected sex if one of you is HIV positive, or if both of you is, because even if you are both, it's dangerous just to have sex without those precautions. But if you are HIV negative, both of you, and you don't want a child at that time, that's what we teach. After insuku, you count 1 to 10 to be safe. After day 10, you don't have sex. So from day 1 to day 10, you can have sex. Then from day 11 to day 18, to be safe, you don't have sex. But insuku ey'ntathu lezo day imvamisa iqandile ovulate ngazo 13, 14, 15. La manje kusesewa ama precautions nje ngoba imvela phela ibuya. Then from day 19 azabe uqala isikhathi sakhe, you can freely have sex. We call that natural family planning. It's good for your body as well. It's good for, ngoba lento yama condom, in as much as isiza kodwa mase nishadile, ukuhlangana kwenyama nenyama kuyaqinisa umshado more. Condom kahle hle abantu abasaganga noma abantu abakhulayo. Kodwa abantu abashadile bengaguli, there is no need of a condom, honestly. Ngoba i-condom iblockile lento. Kanti kumele uhlangane. Anyway, I'm not a sexologist, but I studied a bit of sexology. Siyabonga.